Hello and welcome. So in this lesson, what we're gonna learn how to add the feature of chatbot or something like ChatGPT in Excel, or how to integrate it to Excel. So to do that, we're gonna go insert and then adds in, and then let's find the chatbot. So write Excel formula bot and click enter. So you can see this one, just click add and then continue, and then that's it. Just go back to home and then you can see it here. If you don't have account, you need to generate account and find it all. Okay, so for example, I have this D column. I will put some numbers just to show you how we can use it in case, for example, you have an issue, you don't know how to use some formula, some problem. So here I will tell him, okay, find the average in column D, or we could say from D. Okay, so and then click submit. So you can copy this one, okay, and click here and so let's say find the formula from D1, okay, D1 to where D7, like this, D7. Okay, so you just copy this one and then go to this cell, okay, and then click Ctrl V, click enter. So average of D1, sorry, D1 and D6, not D7, because the numbers here and the last number is D6. Okay, so we need to tell him from D6 to D6, for example, and then submit, and then it will give you the formula here. Just copy it and go here down and Ctrl V. You could see you get the average right away, and this is the formula. Okay, you could say, okay, find the total or the sum, column D1 to D7 this time, okay, and then click submit. It will give you this formula. Just copy it, okay, and paste it here, Ctrl V, and that's it. You'll get the sum. Okay, so this is how you can integrate ChatGPT, and you can, for example, if you want to just don't copy it, for example, you can delete it from here instead of copy it. Just go to the current cell and click here insert in current cell. You will get the result right away. Okay, let's just for example, if you have you can tell him, okay, make table, column. Let's make another column here, okay, and then you can say make table, columns, D, you could put the range D1 all the way to E9. Okay, and then this is just this is not for ChatGPT. This is just for formula, so it doesn't give you tab. However, if you want to insert ChatGPT, you can go to the same thing, adds in, and then you can say open AI, open AI, and click enter. You can see the Spreadsheet helper. You can click add in, and then you will continue here. You can go home and you'll be able to see it here, and then you can start run and do you need to do some setting here, and that's it. So this is how you can integrate chatbot in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching, and see you again.